What are the home remedies for eye infection? Number one is boric acid. The boric acid is a water-soluble and weak acid that you can buy easily in drugstore or supermarket. You should buy the boric acid and dissolve it in water and then apply it to your eyes. Number two is flaxseed. Omega-3 fatty acid found in flaxseed will help you decrease the free radicals in your body as well as promote your immune system in order to fight infection. Here are easy steps to apply flaxseed for treating eye infection. You boil half cup of water, then add 1 ounce of flaxseed. Let the mixture to stay for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you strain the excess water. Then you, then you can strain the excess water. Then you can place the flaxseed on clean cotton square, clean washcloth. Then you apply the solution directly to your eye. Number third is tea. Tea bag will help soothe your eye and relieve redness and swelling. You can use black tea, green tea or white tea. To use tea bag for treating eye infection, you can follow the following direction. You begin by boiling some tea bag with hot water. You let these tea bags cool. Then you place one bag onto your affected eye for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 4 is chamomile. Apply chamomile is one of other effective home remedies for eye infection. Chamomile has soothing and calmative properties that will help you reduce redness and swelling caused by eye infection. Number 5 is honey. Number 6 is jasmine. Jasmine is a flower which should be which will be crushed and mixed in water and then apply it to your eye. Number 7 is baby shampoo. Numbers Number 8 is take a healthy diet. Healthy diet contains fresh vegetables, fish, sardines, milk, egg, whole grain, citrus, poultry, shellfish. Number 10 is guava leaf. Guava is a fruit and it has a plant, so guava leaves are taken which will be crushed and then it will be mixed with water and then apply it to your eye. Number 11 is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is made when aloe vera plants are taken and aloe vera is extracted from it which is dissolved in water. Number 12 is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder should be consumed in your diet.